everyone.
Hey, what's up? Legend of ZelDad here with Mike.
Hi.
We're on our way on a fishing trip all the way to Waterfall Glen in Darien, Illinois. This is take 2 because the first time this happened.
Bad weather here at Waterfall Glen. I believe a tornado has been spotted. I repeat, bad weather at Waterfall Glen.
Yeah, it was hailing. It was pretty bad.
Yes.
But today, it's gonna be different. Pretty rough ground here, but you know what? We're adventurers.
Exactly.
All right, check out this spot. This is what we're gonna try for our first spot. It's kind of nice under the bridge. We got a little sunlight. Saw something jump. All right, let's go get them. All right, we're in the water. We're looking for crawdads.
I was looking for crawdads and look what happened.
Anyway, let us know what you think in the comments. See you next time.